Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing cubes that match your bag zones and weight needs. This matters because size matching prevents wasted space. Once chosen, sort garments into groups, tops, bottoms, underwear, and lay them flat to decide fold or roll. Then place heavier items like jeans and shoes into the base of a cube so the compression distributes evenly. Make sure to leave a small headroom to compress into. Compressing from a balanced base keeps the cube flush and avoids bulging when you zip. You now build layers inside the cube with thin items first and thicker garments on top. This ordering reduces wrinkles and centers mass for consistent compression. Once loaded, zip the cube about 2/3, press outward to force air out, then finish the zipper and fasten compression straps evenly. That progressive sealing avoids trapped pockets of air. Also tuck small items into internal pockets to stabilize the load and eliminate shifting. This keeps the cube rigid, so you finish by placing cubes into your suitcase or backpack with heavier cubes at the bottom and lighter ones near access points so the bag balances during transport. Once set, compress the bag by tightening external straps or using a compression sack over the top to lock everything in place. If a cube bulges or won't sit flat, unzip, redistribute items, move a thick layer to a different cube, and press the air out again. That simple rebalance solves most shape or zipper strain problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.